Welcome back to the channel, and if you've seen any of our videos, you will have seen our red Power Wagon truck. And if you've seen any of our trail videos in particular, you probably noticed the decal on the hood, and it's seen better days. The decal has definitely perished in the sun, and it's front and center on the trail videos. So we're going to do something about that today, and to that end we're here in Salinas, California. We're going to go inside and meet with Omar at Central Coast Auto Styling and see what we can do about the hood. Well, you might think that removing the decal was the difficult part, but actually this part here, cleaning up the residue from the adhesive and just making sure that the surface is sound and will bond correctly to the vinyl wrap, was actually the most time consuming. So I've shortened this up just to the highlights, but this alone I think took a couple of hours just to clean up the surface of the hood. And here is the cleaned up hood. No decal. As you can see, the decal is gone. All of the adhesive remnants from the decal have been removed, and this surface now is ready for the application of the wrap. And this is the wrap we're going with. As you can see, it is a matte black finish. Let's cut to the installation of the wrap. quick walk around the truck here with the final result. As you can see, it turned out really well. This is exactly what I had in mind. It's exactly what I wanted. And I do want to thank Omar for allowing me to film and video in here and generally getting in its way. But yes, this is an excellent job. I would highly recommend Central Coast Auto Styling. And I have a link in the description below where you can check out the Instagram and the website for Central Coast Auto Styling. And a vast improvement, I think you would agree. Well, thank you very much for watching our video to the end, and if you enjoyed it, we would definitely appreciate a like. It makes a huge difference to our channel, and if you want to see more of our videos, why not subscribe to be notified when we release a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.